Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love You Zindagi on the piano. We'll start by identifying the four core chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These are the building blocks for the entire song. Practice each chord for 4 beats, ensuring a steady rhythm. Focus on transitioning smoothly between them. This foundational practice will make learning the rest of the song much easier and more enjoyable. Take your time with these initial steps. Next, let's focus on the right-hand melody. The main theme of Love You Zindagi is quite memorable. Identify the specific notes that form this melody, typically played in the higher octaves of the piano. Begin by practicing the melody very slowly, perhaps one phrase at a time. This deliberate approach helps build muscle memory and ensures you hit each note accurately. Consistency in practice is key here. Now, it's time to bring both hands together. This step requires coordination, so be patient with yourself. Start by playing the left-hand chords and the right-hand melody simultaneously. A metronome, set to around 60 beats per minute, can be incredibly helpful for maintaining a consistent tempo. Practice short, 2 to 4 measure sections repeatedly. This repetition will help your hands learn to work together smoothly and naturally. Finally, let's add some expression to your playing. Dynamics, or varying your touch from soft to loud, will bring the music to life. Experiment with the sustain pedal to connect notes smoothly and add a beautiful resonance to the sound. Most importantly, play with emotion. Love You Zindagi is a joyful and uplifting song, so let that feeling shine through in your performance. Enjoy the music you create.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.